Okay, time to pull the truck out. Did you hear that nice, smooth Triton engine? Love it. Okay, I'm going to take you on a tour here. I am creating this steel frame. You see the stringers? These are the stringers. Here are the outriggers I had made. And so I'm connecting the stringers, welding the stringers to the outriggers. My welding skill is still not so great, but what I'm doing is I'm really going over several times, and even though they're not pretty, I'll grind them out afterwards and make it look good. And anything that's really, really structural, I'm going to have someone else come and probably weld over as well. So the combination of grade 8 bolts that I'm using on the outriggers, my improving welding skills, and then knowing where to ask someone to come in and give me a hand, those are the things that are going to make this highly successful and highly durable, and that I'll feel safe to drive my family around in, which I'm going to. Drive this all over the country. This great, awesome, beautiful, incredible, free, democratic country, the dream of 1776, 1789, and the 1860s and 70s. We love it. A couple of interesting things. I reused the external electrical box from the crashed Winnebago because there's some good battery relays and stuff in that. I'll have to repurpose some of the fuses, but that's no problem. And I've already run those wires underneath. I've also was able to salvage the generator, and I've remounted that and welded that all back into place. Okay, so today, according to Estelle, my daughter, who is doing all the production on this video, I need more time lapse, so I'm going to set the camera in one place and just get to work. But what I'm going to do is continue welding all these pieces and then come back and sand them, grind them, sand them, and then start putting paint on them, spray paint, because this will rust very easily. So, and then tomorrow I'll be able to put on this layer, the under layer, which is going to be this. This is the under layer. It was highly recommended on the internet. The old one used to be aluminum, but I think this will work well. And but I forget what it's called. I love this Lincoln 110 welder, 110 volt welder, 140 weld pack from Home Depot or Lowe's, one of those places. This is like the JV to JV to go-kart of racing compared to Formula One, but it has sparked my love of welding. You know, when you weld, you can see that weld pool kind of moving along. You're reminded of the cosmic forces of the earth, right? The primordial forces, that generated life. Wow, of course, I'm a Christian, so life is God, and God made them all, and all that. so we love it. Wow. So anyway, welding. It doesn't do like particularly strong weld. It's supposed to go through 1/4 inch, barely, but I think on this 1/8 inch steel it should be pretty good, and I'm pretty confident in these welds. So. I cut these yesterday, or the day before yesterday. See, one little rain, so I already got surface rust. I got caught in the rain, like I got another one. Now the sun is coming out. I just love the summer day in Hudson Valley. Just good. Alright. My gloves. I love these all leather gloves. I've gone through like 10 pairs of mechanics gloves. Whenever I use a grinder, it melts the nylon. So, but these leather gloves, man, these winter welding gloves, these are the gloves. Reminds me of beekeeping back in Miami. Okay. Don't touch metal involved.